So what you're looking at here is the 2023 MacBook Pro M3. Had this for a few months now, and this thing is absolutely amazing. This is the 16-inch version, and I've been using this for just about everything. Work, editing, video editing, Final Cut Pro, Lightroom, all that different type of stuff. And with the newest update, you can actually mirror your iPhone, which is absolutely crazy. Still got the camera back on and looking forward to adding some new stuff. This is the PG Tech light backpack, absolutely amazing. Here, this is the Sihu S100. Man, this chair is absolutely amazing. I'm going to be doing a review on this chair pretty soon. Look out for that. And if you saw my latest video, this monitor, this is the Asus PG32UCDM. I'm in the final stages of getting ready to actually do the review on this monitor. Traded in my AMD RX 7900 XTX graphics card at Micro Center, and shouts out to Micro Center because I was able to swap it out. Got this open box, and it's a 3rd generation QD OLED monitor. Absolutely amazing. Just got done doing some editing on that. And also, this is the Alienware monitor. If you saw any of my videos, you know about this monitor. Still rock strong. Ultra wide, 3440 by 1440p. And of course, this is 4K. That is the setup right now, man. I got some good content that's going to be coming up. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. WiLcreatives, and then WiLcreatives Pics to see some new content that's going to be coming up.